right,
रोज आ जाता है मीजान की ये गर्लफ्रेंड है, वो आ जाता है मीजान
right,
है, हाउ डू यू डील
right.
विद इट माय फ्रेंड?
अब मैं क्या बोलूं, बिकॉज मैं जब कुछ बोलने जाता हूँ तो फिर वो कुछ और लिख देते हैं, then it comes out as something else only. So then I'm like, okay, ठीक है, now I mean I'm just going to tell people that there's the truth about the situation when there's nothing at all. I'm single, and I don't know why these relationships are being made in my life. I'm single, and to all the female fans especially, who I think some of them were let down by hearing this rumor that I'm in a relationship or something like that. But that's not at all true. I'm single, and right now I'm just focusing on my work and nothing else.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Hi Mizan, it's lovely to see you. Malal to Hangama. I mean,
Yes, thank you.
absolutely different from that rugged, rough, gangster
Right.
type vibes. Now this ubesh chick boy, how's it?
It's been amazing. I'm glad that I got the opportunity to showcase different sides of Mizan, and hopefully, I want to do more and more of this in the future. But it's a great opportunity, and I'm honored to be working with Priyadarshan sir and all the other actors, the co-stars that I have in my film, because all of them are iconic and legendary. And finally, the movie's coming out. So nothing but excitement and gratitude, and I can't wait for everyone to watch the film.
अगर असली जिंदगी में हंगामा जैसा हंगामा हो गया आपके साथ तो क्या करोगे?
बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक ऐसी अगर सिचुएशन मेरी जिंदगी में आ गई तो मुझे भी नहीं पता कि मैं कैसे रिएक्ट कर पाऊंगा. आई थिंक मेरी फैमिली मुझे घर के बाहर फेंक देगी अगर कोई लड़की घर पर आए और बोले कि ये बच्चा आपके बेटे का है. तो आई थिंक दैट ऐसी सिचुएशन किसी के साथ होना नहीं चाहिए ऐसा. बट फिल्म में है, एंड फुल ऑन हंगामा है, फुल ऑन कंफ्यूजन है. ट्रेलर में हमने जितना हो सके कहानी के बारे में बताया है, बट ज्यादातर हमने मूवी के लिए ही रखा है. एंड मूवी में आप समझेंगे ज्यादा जो सिचुएशंस हैं और जो लेयर्स हैं और जो ट्रैक्स चल रहे हैं सबके. एंड बहुत सारी हंसी मजाक है, एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे सीन्स हैं जो आप हंस के एकदम लोटपोट हो जाएंगे. सो इट्स वंडरफुल. इट्स अ फुल ऑन फैमिली एंटरटेनर, एंड गाने खूबसूरत हैं. स्टार कास्ट एकदम ही पावरफुल है, एंड डायरेक्शन प्रियदर्शन का तो अमेजिंग होता ही है. सो इट्स अ फुल्ली packaged film, and I can't wait and for everyone to see it. And I've just been lucky कि मुझे मौका मिला. मैं खुश नसीब हूँ कि ये ऐसी फिल्म में और इन सबके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला.
And also, I mean, grooving with Shilpa Shetty on Chura Ke Dil Mera, the iconic
जी.
song. So, I mean, I feel rhythm is inborn in you, genetics may, I mean, remember your dad and all. So what was it like? And did you show your dad the song? What did he say about your footwork?
He saw the song. He loved it. And he knows also what went behind in me doing the song, because there were no rehearsals.
Wow.
So I literally saw the steps on the spot and I just did them. And I think जैसा कि आपने कहा, I was able to do that because वो inborn है, वो कहाँ जीन से पास होकर आया है. I'm lucky enough. उसका credit तो 100% father को ही दिया जाता है. And in terms of performance and what I've been able to do in the film, उसका credit दादा और father दोनों को दिया जाता है. So yeah, so it's been a wonderful experience, and to do चुरा के दिल मेरा with Shilpa Shetty, the leading lady herself from the original song, jo mere hisab se now is looking absolutely stunning. She's aging in reverse, I think. And, she has killed it in the song with her energy, her expressions, her looks. And I'm just grateful that I was able to be a part of this song with her.
Awesome. And also, someone who starts his career with Sanjay Leela Bhansali now is doing a Priyadarshan film. Absolutely different approach to their craft.
Absolutely.
So what was your experience like? Intense, someone who believes in the grandeur of things, and the other one who gives us full-on masala entertainers. What was it like for you as an actor? I'm sure it's a great experience, yeah.
Best, because not many actors get the opportunity to work on these completely opposite sides of the spectrum. जैसा कि आपने कहा, one is, you know, a different school of filmmaking. The other is a different school of filmmaking. So I'm glad that in my first and second film only I got to witness and experience those, both of those. So and yeah, and it's been an incredible journey, but it's just the start of the journey. And yeah, and I think that this early to be able to do this has taught me so much, that and prepared me so much for the rest of the journey, that is, it'll just make me a better actor. It'll just make me a better performer, and it'll teach me to hone my craft better, to know my craft better. So I think today I'm ready after doing Priyansa's film. Chalo, Malal to was the first film, so that's one thing that I did. Then suddenly I jumped into Hangama with Priyansa, and it's a completely different school, different world, different kind of filmmaking. And today I don't think I'm scared of anything after Hangama. That's what it's really taught me, you know. To anyone and anything, I would be like, bring it on. I'm ready for it. It's prepared me for anything. So yeah.
Also, I mean, it's amazing. Like Malal was, अभी 2 साल तो हो गए Malal को ना?
जी.
और अब हंगामा. I mean, you know, for actors वो होता है ना, जो नए-नए आते हैं, मन करता है सब sign करूं. You are taking your
Right.
time. Does it sometimes get you anxious, or is this a conscious effort कि मैं एकदम signing spree पे नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं पहले देखूंगा कैसे है? Because you know, I'm sure, you know, it's not easy for a youngster, and the industry is extremely competitive. Yeah, I mean, it's like
Absolutely.
crazy competitive.
Yeah. So people don't realize that, but thank you. Yes, the industry is very competitive today. There are a lot of people coming in, you know, and wanting to make their mark. But at the same time, yes, in the beginning, I am a very restless person, so I did get very restless in the beginning. But then I have my family who, you know, takes care of the restlessness and sort of calms me down and explains things to me. So I'm lucky to have them at home, because they are the ones who are sort of guiding me throughout this whole process, especially my parents. And you know, they always, you know, they tell me, they were like, do good work. It doesn't matter how much work you do. Do good work that people will remember you by. So I don't think that it matters. Okay, chalo, today I can suppose I did Malal, and if after Malal I signed 5 films back to back. What is the point if those 5 films don't leave a mark, or if they are not as impactful, and if they are not as great for me? So I don't think in today's day and age, people are looking at how many films the person is doing. They're looking at the kind of work you're doing, because you know, today the content is what matters to people. So even if I don't do a film for 2 years and suddenly I do a movie which really stands out after 2 years, people are going to be like, wow, and suddenly you're back in motion. You know, that's the way it works in this industry. It used to be that single Friday which used to decide your fate. It could either make it or break it for you. But today times have changed, you know. So today there's OTT, there's a lot of things happening. There are a lot of doors and platforms that have opened for everybody. So I'm just glad, and I just think that I'm taking my time, because I want to do good work from the for my fans, and for the people that expect the best of me, and the best from me. And you know, after Malal, there was a lot of appreciation that came towards me for my work, and people
Yes.
said, you know, you acted really well. So for me, then I thought, yeah, you know, today I have whatever my fan base is. They expect that level of performance, so I need to do work where I can perform that way for them. You know, and at the same time, I don't want to keep doing the same kind of work. You know, I want the audience to say that, yaar, chal dekhte na Mizan ne kya kiya. So it should be like I should be able to surprise them with every single thing that I do. You know, every single performance I do, people should be like, oh wow, we didn't expect this at all. So I think that's what I'm going for, and that's what I'm trying with every single character that I play. I'm trying to be as versatile as possible, and I'm glad that I'm able to be versatile as well. You know, and trying to just get better and better at it. You know, my first film was a romantic drama. Now this is a comedy. Then inshallah, the next one that I do, I want to do a different genre altogether. So you know, different worlds, different types of content, and just do good stuff, you know, and give it your 100%. So that's what my thought process is, and that's about it.
And आपको पता है ना कि crazy female fan following बहुत ज़्यादा है. जब भी आपको इंटरव्यू करती हूँ, you know, इंस्टा भी जब हमने किया था, मलाल भी किया था, the girls were just gushing. And एक और downside of being a celebrity is your private life is always for public consumption.
Right.
रोज आ जाता है मीज़ान की ये गर्लफ्रेंड है, वो आ जाता है मीज़ान है. How do you deal with it, my friend?
अब मैं क्या बोलूं, because you know मैं जब कुछ बोलने जाता हूँ तो फिर वो कुछ और लिख देते हैं, then it comes out as something else only. So then I'm like, okay, ठीक है, now I mean I'm just going to tell people that there's, you know, the truth about the situation when there's nothing at all. You know, I'm single, and you know, I don't know why these you know, these relationships are being made in my life. I'm single, and you know, to all the female fans especially, who I think some of them were let down by hearing this rumor that, you know, I'm in a relationship or something like that. But that's not at all true. I'm single, and you know, and right now I'm just focusing on my work and nothing else. You know, it's a long journey. It's a long you know, there are a lot of films that I need to be doing and I want to be doing, and it's just the beginning. And dheere dheere karke, I'm taking it one step at a time.
True.
So yes, so for all the female fans, you have nothing to worry about. I'm single, and I love all of you, and you know, and I really appreciate the kind of love that you show and shower towards me, and I try to reply to as many of them as possible through Instagram as I can today. But वो हो नहीं पाता कभी कभी. But मैं comments तो सारी देखता हूँ उनकी, and it's nothing but you know, it just makes me feel really really happy.
Awesome. Chalo, he has announced he is single, ready to mingle. Now your mother really does not need to worry about a swambar for you. Enough रिश्ते आ जाएंगे. तो उनकी वो जो होती है ना झंझट, चलो हो जाए.
Right, absolutely. मुझे actually मेरी mom का phone आया था, not phone आया था, I was talking to her one day, and
हाँ.
she's like, guess who called? And there was some friend of hers. Her friend had called saying that some friend of hers wants her daughter to get married to me.
लो.
So my mom was like, "Are you ready?" Like she was pulling my legs, so she was like, "Are you ready to get married?" I said, "Are you crazy, mom?" I said, "Abhi main kaha, I'm 26 years old. I'm focusing on work.
हाँ.
You know, don't irritate me." So she started laughing. But yeah, ऐसी भी चीजें हो रही हैं आजकल. So it's weird, but it's, I take it in a positive manner, because you know, it's at the end of the day, it shows that people have some kind of liking and love towards you, and they appreciate the kind of work that you do. So I'm just grateful for all of this. Yeah.
Awesome. And also, you know, you come from a family of actors. It was very
Ji,
different during your granddad's time. It was extremely
ji,
different during your dad's time. उनके time
right.
में तो social media, Google कुछ नहीं था. So that's what they say ना, in our generation, all the stupid things we have done, there is no record of it. But आप
Right.
लोगों के लिए everything is
I
under a
hate it.
scanner.
I
Yeah.
hate it. I hate it. I wish I was born in the 80s sometimes. I was like, I wish I was acting in the 80s or 90s, you know, because times were much simpler then. I think you know, of course, social media has brought in a lot of perks and benefits to a lot of
हाँ.
people. But I think today we are not using it for those benefits. We started misusing it, and we don't really know where to draw the line with things, you know. And I think somewhere it's impacted our lives very negatively. You know, I think we've become very negative you know, as an audience, because I think everyone has the freedom and liberty to say whatever they want today from their phones without having to face the outcome of what they're saying, you know. So they just say whatever they say, because unko koi farak nahi padta, because nobody's going to question them on what they've said, nobody's going to retaliate to what they've said. So I think that is very wrong, and at the same time, you know, I think today anyone is sitting and becoming a critic or stuff like that. So, but at the same time, these things don't matter to me. You know, I just give it my 100% and I do my work. And yeah, and personally, I'm a very anti-social media guy. I'm a very anti-phone guy. I like staying in the moment and living in the moment. You know, today if I'm sitting with somebody, I'd rather sit with that person and have a conversation. Now, I think we've lost those things, that personal touch, because we're all on our phones. अभी आप कहीं भी जाओ सब phone पे बैठे हैं. Nobody's talking to the other person, having a conversation and stuff like that, you know. So there are a lot of pros, but a lot of cons, a lot more cons as I see in today's times. So I hope that we come out of it, and you know, we make the most of it, and we evolve in a better way with how times are changing.
I agree with you. But सबसे funny rumor अपने बारे में क्या सुना है आपने? और ऐसा कोई rumor you wish was really true जो सुना होगा?
That one was that I have so on some Wikipedia page it said that I have some two other siblings. from some other family. And I was like, what? And my friend showed me this. And I saw it and I was like, no, bro, like, are you crazy? I said, my brother and sister are the only ones that I have. That's about it. So I say, because like I said, आजकल कोई कुछ भी लिख सकता है.
I know.
So, they write whatever they want. But I don't pay attention to it at all and I don't let it affect me.
Totally. And also, do you have a Friday ritual? Because आपकी पहली pictures the cinema halls now, because the situation we are in. I'm sure you would
जी.
have enjoyed Hangama because वो
Yeah,
हर actor को अच्छा लगता है, the claps and the cities and the cheers. अब
I
घर
know.
पर बैठ के सब देख रहे हैं. So, what is your feeling? Mixed feelings, and also, do you have a Friday morning ritual कि मैं phone नहीं देखूंगा, मैं messages नहीं पढ़ूंगा? But एक चीज अच्छी है, box office का झंझट निकल गया है यार.
True, that's there. But at the same time, that in a way, it's like your report card. वो जो दिन होता था ना कि report card आने वाला है, तो जो tension होती थी यार, आज mom क्या बोलेंगी, क्या होगा, क्या grades मिलेंगे, क्या मैं pass हो जाऊंगा. So it's exactly the same feeling. It's Judgment Day, that Friday, and I think it's a good thing. I miss the Friday because it sort of shows you how well you've performed, which is actually good. Instead of you just thinking about, okay, I sold my movie at a very high price to somebody, now, so my tension is gone. I don't do films because of money. I don't do films because of that. I do films because I like doing films and I want to do good work and I want the audience to appreciate my work and I want to see what the audience wants from me. So I think we're able to gauge that better when it comes out in the theaters. But okay, TK, today, obviously, the reason we've released it on Hotstar is because of the times that we are in, the circumstances that we are in, not any other reason, because the movie was made specifically for the theaters. And if you see the visuals in this film, you'll be shocked at the way the movie has been shot. And it's beautiful. And the way India has been showcased in this film is beautiful. Like my mom saw some of the scenes and she said that, did you go to Switzerland? Like, what is all this? I said, Mom, this is Himachal, and I think we tend to overlook the beauty that we have in our country. And I think I'm glad that Priyansa has showcased it so beautifully and portrayed it so beautifully in this film. And I was a part of it. And at the same time, because COVID happened and everything, it was a very difficult situation. The whole world came to a standstill. So I think सब समझते हैं कि okay, ठीक है यार, the movie was supposed to come out last August 14th. Yeah. So now we July में release हो रही है 1 साल बाद. And finally, I think the whole purpose of the film is to entertain the audience, to bring a smile to people's faces. And what better time to bring a smile to people's faces than now? Because the times are difficult, the times are sad, the times are tough for everybody in their own way, one or another. And I think the movie today is going to come out on Hotstar, people, and it's a family entertainer, so everyone's going to sit with their families, watch it on in the comfort of their homes, and it's going to bring a smile to their faces. They're going to laugh, they're going to enjoy, and they have great songs to accompany them. So I think our mission is accomplished. It's we've done the job, so I'm happy.
और समय को और बात बताओ, परेश रावल भी हैं. I mean, his comic timing is amazing. You have Shilpa Shetty also. Set पे किसके सामने थोड़ा सा nervy moment हुआ था?
Nervous always in front of Paresh Ji because he improvises a lot and you never know what's coming. And he's a very intimidating personality. Real life में ज़्यादातर बात नहीं करते. He's very quiet. But with Shilpa Ji, to no problem at all. I enjoyed myself. We were like friends on set, even with Rajpal sir. But with Paresh Ji के साथ जो मेरे scenes थे, उसमें मेरी थोड़ी बैंड बजती थी, टेंशन होता था because I have to perform at a certain level, because he's absolutely killing it and I'm very competitive. So मेरे लिए भी एक है, okay, I should match up to that performance. If that actor is giving that level of performance and if the other actor does not, then the scene falls, overall. So it's my duty as well, being part of the scene with him, to be able to give that level of performance and take the scene to another level. So yeah, I've given it my 100%, and I've thoroughly enjoyed working with every single one of them. I've learned so much, and they've been wonderful, wonderful people to work with.
Awesome, lovely chatting with you, and I hope to meet you soon in person as well.
Thank you.
बस जाते बता दो अब next क्या है और किसके साथ आपका वैसे dream collaboration है? Who we'll manifest that now. थोड़ा
2 people, okay, is dream collaboration. One is Mohit Suri, and second is Rohit Shetty.
Chalo. Let's just put it out to the universe. All the very best. And
Thank
hope
you so much.
Hangama ho, and hope to see you in person. And all the very best, Yummy Man. Lovely chatting with you.
Thank you, same here. Thank you for having me.
Bye. Take care.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.